Hi! Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up for Ahsay Managed Backup as a Service or AMBaaS, a secure and easy-to-use platform designed for MSPs who want to offer reliable backup services at competitive prices, or businesses looking for affordable backups for their data, fully hosted and managed by Ahsay. After successful registration, I'll walk you through the process of installing the AhsayOBM backup agent on a Synology NAS. If you want to learn how, let's go to my screen and get started. To install AhsayOBM, first, customer must sign up for the free trial of AMBaaS. To do this, just go to www.ahsay.com. Select the free trial button at the upper right part of the page. Make sure to select the Ahsay Managed Backup tab, then scroll down. Fill out the registration form. Once you have successfully registered for the free trial, you may now proceed with the installation. Start by downloading the AhsayOBM backup agent. To do this, open the email address you used to register for the free trial account. Click on the email with the subject Ahsay Product Evaluation Request. Click the link to the download page of your AMBaaS console. To proceed from the download page of your AMBaaS console, you'll see the online installers of AhsayOBM, AhsayACB, Mobile, and Restore for different operating systems and NAS. Since we're already on the AhsayOBM tab, just look for Synology, which is right here, and click on the DSM SPK installer depending on the DSM version of your Synology NAS to ensure compatibility. As this Synology NAS that I'm using currently runs DSM-7, I'll click on the DSM-7 SPK online installer. When you click on either of these two, it would automatically download the Synology package installer for AhsayOBM. Now that you have the Synology package installer for AhsayOBM, go to Synology NAS. From the Synology NAS Web Admin Console, click on the Package Center to open. At the upper right corner of the window, click on the Manual Install. The Manual Install window will pop up. Click Browse. This will prompt the Downloads folder. Look for the Synology package installer that you have just downloaded. Select the said file, click Open, then click Next. When a third-party app warning is displayed, click Agree to continue. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Then, click Next. At this point, you will be asked to provide the URL of the CBS. Go back to the download page of your AMBaaS. Go to the Synology installers, and you'll see an instruction saying, copy and paste the following URL information into the URL text field during installation. Copy the URL. Go back to the Synology NAS. Paste it on the text field. Then click Next to continue. Click Done. Then you just have to wait for a while for the installation to finish. Once the installation has been successfully completed, click on Installed, and you'll see the Ahsay Online Backup Manager listed among the other packages. To launch AhsayOBM, you can click on Open, or go to the main menu by minimizing this window and click this icon right here. Then, click on the AhsayOBM icon. This will prompt the AhsayOBM window. Once you're redirected to the login page of AhsayOBM, enter your login credentials to access your account. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on a Synology NAS. Very quick and easy. Sign up for our free trial today to safeguard critical data across unlimited devices, PCs, notebooks, servers, NAS, or mobile devices. AMBaaS has you covered. With flexible annual or monthly subscription plans tailored to your needs, you can offer a professional, cost-effective service without the need for upfront investment in hardware, storage, or software licenses. Don't wait. Secure, reliable, and affordable data protection with Ahsay is just a click away.